good.
Yeah.
Doing real good. I like Florida. Actually, I love it. I love sand.
Scale 1 to 10, how stoked are you to be here?
To be here?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Is this like a bar stool, like a David Poor story, like rating or?
Yeah. 1 to 10, 1 to 10.
We'll go 8.5. I love Florida, so I think 8.9 is one of his highest ratings. So we'll go with a solid 8.5.
Okay.
To the young one, Hunter Hart aboard the number 7 out of Newfield, New York on the Hunter Hart Racing Maxxis flyback machine.
Here in the Walker Fowler pits, it's pretty calm, it's chill, it's cool, it's collected. Everybody pit. Everybody got fuel, everybody got goggles. Josh Merritt with a little bit of trouble, but got back on the machine pretty quick. Something wrong with the front end, but didn't seem too serious, so he's back out there. So everybody's handling these Florida sands pretty well. Nothing to report, Rodney. We'll take it back to you.
Champion Walker Fowler traversing his way through the final and closing moments of the 1,000-acre woods as the checkers fly, and Walker Fowler takes win number 61 and the first win of the 2021 season here at the Wild Boar GNCC.
He said it's been a while. There you go, popping bottles here at the GNCC. There you go. Tossing. How many more you got? Two more. Two more. Who wants it? Get you some noise for your winner here today. Holds that up. You guys make some noise for your winner here in Wild Boar. Let's go. That's the big bottle. He's jumping in the crowd. You can run, but you can't hide. It's like Scary Terry, Rick and Morty. Chasing everybody. Cheers. That's officially going to do it on the XC